Well, it looks like somebody's trying to offer their love to you, which they're very much in control of that offer. They're very proud of that. Next card, yes, definitely somebody is offering their love. It's a very high connection, a very strong connection to a loved one. Okay, and you have the Tower card here, which means that you're taken by surprise by this, and it kind of is like a big surprise to you. But it will complete your world. It is like beginning cycles, cycles that complete themselves. So this love offer, it comes to you as a very big surprise that you're very much happy with having. It's just you're not, you're totally shaken by the whole thing. The next card out is the Sun card. Now that is a card of ultimate joy and happiness. So this love offer to you will end up with joy and happiness in your life. So don't let it pass you by. Reach out and grab it just like you need to, like it's being offered to you.